Okay, here's Haley, Ronnie, me, and Isaac as cameraman, just like the other video, okay? So, we are here. Eliza's not here. He's playing Fortnite. But we have rescued a baby bird right here. We come right here. We have saved a little newborn baby bird. Isaac, do you want to come up close?
No, it's good.
Okay. Newborn baby bird right here. That's really it right there. Moving its head. Cute. It's super cute. We rescued it. The brother and the other brother, they both died. One died inside here, and another one died over there, and it lived over there. So I don't know how we got it over there.
Let's go show you where the nest is.
And we call him Lucky because he survived it. So
Okay, so they lived up there, and there were three, and one died in there. I guess he was hungry or anything, and the other one died over here.
yeah, good. Maybe the mom didn't come.
That's no way for the food. And the other one just died right around here. Wait, right here. Like right here. Right here, like around right here.
There's blood marks.
Right here, as you can see. I don't know how it got over there. I think the mom tried to get it and it fell, or a bird came and tried to eat it and it fell. But that's sad. But okay, and that last one you just saw over there, we named him Lucky, as obviously you can see why. He's the only one that survived, and he's right there. So we're not gonna do this. So the only survivor that is here is Lucky. So that's the end of this video. Okay, actually it's not the end of this video. We're gonna teach you how to take care of it. And how are we gonna take care of it?
It's very simple.
Let's just show you. Let's give some space. Right here. We put him on the ground because
No one will.
once he goes up there, he may fall. And my grandma, she said that we have another bird over there. Let's show it.
Let's show it.
His name is Yellow. You can obviously see why.
Because he's yellow.
Okay, you guys.
Here's Yellow. Say hi, Yellow.
Yellow, say hi.
But doing a video. Hi, yellow.
Okay, so that's our
He's shy
bird.
on the camera.
Yeah, but okay.
He's gonna sing. Watch.
You might hear him sometime.
He's gonna yell.
Okay.
Oh, so yeah, what we're gonna do is that in the night we put him inside our house in the corner,
So
and we put a cover so the baby is gonna be on top of the cover.
okay, so we're gonna put that bird, the one you just saw over there, inside the house because it's too cold. We put him inside. We're gonna take that bird, wrap the thing around, he won't get out, and then we're gonna put it on top, and then he'll be safe right there. So we're gonna be taking care of him.
We're gonna show you how also.
We're gonna show you how to take care of
Take care of a bird, a
yeah.
homeless bird.
They're not called homeless birds. They're the wildlife birds, the ones that are brown. And
Okay, this is it, guys. This is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. We saved a baby bird.
and don't
Forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.
and hit the bell.